to ensure the normal operation of photovoltaic systems under various extreme environmental conditions. CNLONQ launches the LQX-C series Lightning Protection Combiner Box. The product adopts a PC+ABS housing with a flame retardant rating of all 94 VO. It features IP65 protection grade and an impact resistance rating of IK10. Fits standard 35mm DIN rail. No issues found during on-off testing. IP65 waterproof grade. Effectively resists stormy weather. CNLONQ leads China in custom PV protection equipment. We also offer PV customization and R&D support to integrators, EPCs, and investors. Our products are globally certified and fully compliant. High quality, fast delivery, and reliability drive our worldwide sales.